Good morning, students of class 6. Today we will do some revision from behind the chapter Macbeth. Okay, we will do an exercise work. So, open to dictionary work behind the lesson Macbeth. Okay, open to the page dictionary work behind the chapter Macbeth and let us do some revision. Alright, you will write the answers in your English literature book itself with a pencil. So, come to dictionary work behind the lesson Macbeth. Today is the 12th. Okay, so this will help to improve your vocabulary, okay, and a revision of the lesson. So please take your pencils in your hand and let us start dictionary work behind the lesson Macbeth. Alright, the first one. The witches in Macbeth are dash creatures. Superior or supernatural? It is supernatural. So, the witches in Macbeth are supernatural creatures. Okay. Number 2. They dash Macbeth with hopes of becoming king. Tempt or taunt? They tempt Macbeth. They tempt Macbeth with hopes of becoming king. Number 3. However, they tell Banquo that his dash and not Macbeth's will be king in the future. Descendants or relatives? Descendants. So, his descendants. However, they tell Banquo that his descendants and not Macbeth's will be king in the future. To begin with, Macbeth doubts their credibility. Okay. Macbeth doubts their credibility. To begin with, Macbeth doubts their credibility. Next one. Later he goes back to them with the request that they dash his future in more detail. Prescribe or predict? What will it be? Predict. Later he goes back to them with the request that they predict his future in more detail. Number 6. They dash that Macbeth has no one to fear except Macduff the Thane of Fife. They prophesy or prophesize? They prophesize. They prophesize. Okay. So they prophesize that Macbeth has no one to fear except Macduff the Thane of Fife. Is it clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it all clear? Number 1 answer is supernatural. 2 is tempt. 3 is descendants. 4 is credibility. 5 is predict. 6 is prophesize. Is it clear? Please do it in your English literature book itself with a pencil. Alright students, that's all for today. I hope this is clear to you. I will see you in the next class. Thank you and God bless.